You know, in our own day, my friends, we have been witness to the greatest promise of all, the establishment of the state of Israel. Now, who would have foreseen such a dream come true? It is no less than a great miracle. Mi she'asa nisim la'avosenu, he who performed miracles for our ancestors in days of old, he has redeemed us today, Basman Hazeh, our day too. And this beautiful prayer, which is recited once a month when we have the blessing of the new moon, ends with the words, Havelim Kol Yisrael, the Nomar Amen. We are brethren. We should be brethren, brothers and sisters, now and forevermore. And I was very inspired yesterday when I attended services at one of your local synagogues, and this was the theme of the distinguished Rabbi Lieberman. And I should like to share this with you tonight as my liturgical selection, something that I don't do too often, but I'd like to share with you tonight, Misha Al-Sanisi.
Avete venuto, che tu vidi, avete venuto, che tu,